huge shout out to AutoRimShop. When my wheel cracked on my 2015 Dodge Challenger, I thought I was going to have to pay $600 to replace the whole wheel until I found AutoRimShop. Not only was it cheap and affordable, but the quality of the product is absolutely amazing. When I received it, there was no cracks, it was in perfect condition, and it was absolutely amazing. And not only is the product just a whole nother level, but the customer service, the delivery, the amount of time it took, it was all just amazing. And I am absolutely blown away with this AutoRimShop. And I will definitely, if I ever have any problems in the future, come to this website again. It is absolutely amazing. So thank you again, AutoRimShop.